time for the April Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. I'm gonna go right ahead. Open this up. Okay, so first things first, I am in love with the bag this month. It is so freaking cute. All the little lemons all over it. Oh my god. And the little yellow ribbon I don't know. I love it. I think it's freaking adorable. I love it. Can I reiterate how much I love it? So, okay. So, our little cheat sheet here. Okay. Now in season, fresh spring beauty. The juice is worth the squeeze. Ipsy Glam Bag, April 2019, hashtag Ipsy Bloom. Okay. Here's a quick look at why we think you'll love your 5 April picks. Head to ipsy.com/glambag for tutorials, videos, and tons more info on your products. And this obviously will be different for everyone, but this is mine. So, let's just go right ahead and pick up a thing. Oh, look at that. Got a lippy. So this is from... Who is this from? The Balm Cosmetics and the Bonjour. I see what you did there. It's like Bonjour. I'm dumb, I know. Creamy lip stain in Namaste. My mom also got one of these in a different color in her bag. We also got the same nail polish. That's how I just opened my bag, but I already magically have it on. I used hers. So, let's see here. It's a really cute little picture on it. It looks all comic booky and everything. It does have the Ipsy sticker on it, though, so there is no mistaking. Let's see. And their website is literally thebalm.com. So, I mean, a certain moron on this website who uses that phrase when talking about her business is like, yeah, except you're promoting another business. Yeah, you're a genius. So the color, I'm not going to put it on right now, but it is gorgeous, and I'm going to love that. Doesn't smell the greatest. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think it's supposed to, but I mean, I just wanted to see. Sometimes they do, but not so much on this one. So what does it say about it? Aside from the adorbs packaging that screams girl power, the Balm's known for quick fix products that are easy on your wallet. This berry pink stain slash gloss hybrid coats lips in rich color, moisturizes them, and lasts for hours. Tip for a light berry stain. Apply one coat using your finger. Want more color? Don't be afraid to layer it on. That's kind of how a lip stain works, guys. Okay. Next, we got... Ooh. Got a chubby one here. This one is from Buxom Cosmetics. Or is it Bosom? I don't know. I think it's Buxom. Buxom Lash Volumizing Mascara in Blackest Black. Good, because I generally only wear black mascara, so only way it'd be better is if it were waterproof, but oh well, can't win them all. Buxom Cosmetics wants you to feel sexier in your skin, starting with a mascara that gives you the fluttery, fanned-out lashes of your dreams. The volumizing formula creates thick, plump-free lashes, and an hourglass-shaped brush gives grip... Oh! Hourglass-shaped brush grips every lash for volume, length, and lift. Tip for an extra fanned-out effect, apply a coat of this mascara, then use the tip of the wand to lift your lashes up and out. Can I already do that? I guess I'm not quite as much of a makeup noob as I thought. Let's take a look at the brush. Oh, okay. Okay, I see what they're talking about. It's not super contoured, but I do see a little bit of hourglassiness here. You see it better that way, guys? It's hard to tell on camera with these things, but in person, it kinda does. Especially, like, as you turn it, you see it, so. Alright. I am all about that one so far. I may be most excited about that. And then, actually, I take it back. We got a lip balm. We all know those trump everything for me. So, Moroccan Magic Argan and Essential Oil Lip Balm in Peppermint Eucalyptus, which should smell amazing, I'm pretty sure. 100% pure argan oil is the brand's #1 ingredient for healthy, hydrated skin. You'll enjoy its benefits along with a blend of nourishing essential oils and tree nuts in this hydrating lip balm that absorbs quick and coats your lips in long-lasting moisture. Tip: swipe it on alone or under your favorite matte lip colors to prevent drying or flaking. Mix it with your fave lipstick to create a moisturizing stain. Except for the fact that when you do that, they never seem to actually stay on, so I don't know that I would personally recommend that, but you do you. Next, we have... Ooh, we have eyeliner. Basically, I got all my favorite things this month. What brand is this? Oh, it's by Sugar Cosmetics. Okay, because I was, like, looking down here, and I was like, I'm not seeing a brand anywhere. It's up top, only on this one side in this corner. That's why I couldn't find it. So, Sugar Cosmetics Coal of Honor Intense Kajal in Blackout. Sounds very Indian to me. Sugar Cosmetics products make you feel pulled together in an instant, especially when you're on the go. This bold black eyeliner is transfer resistant, perfect, smudge proof, waterproof, and highly pigmented. Perfect. Plus, the specially designed twist-up tip makes it easy to apply. Tip: use this kohl to line your upper and or lower lash lines, then take an angled eyeliner brush and smudge it out for a quick and easy smoky effect. Yeah, I don't bother with that because I managed to smudge them on my own without meaning to, so... Okay. Good job, self. Okay, so we got the Sugar Cosmetics logo over here. Coal of Honor. In the blackest black. This is just like the Avon pencil sticks that twist up. It is exactly like them. You just twist up the tip, or twist it down, whatever you want to do. Please don't break, or I'm going to cry, but I want to show you guys how much is in it. Okay, that's about as far as it goes. So that's actually a very good amount of eyeliner. I broke it, of course. Okay, let's very, very easily go back down. Hold on. Okay, we're back. It's fixed. A little bit smudged down on the tip, but I mean, it's still pretty good, so that's alright. So, tip: don't roll it up all the way, because otherwise you're gonna have a problem. Which should be common knowledge, but I want to show you guys, so that's what I get for that. So, that's okay. I fixed it. It's fine. So, the last thing we got is from a brand called Law Beauty Essentials, which is interesting. Law Beauty Essentials Nail Polish in Purplicious. You can see back there. And again, it's what I have on already. This one impressed me because it only took 2 coats to get this level of opacity. Oh, I see smudging from that. Oopsie. Okay. I thought I got most of it off. Not so much. Okay, there. Better. So, I'll wash them better after. But, let's pop this baby open so I can show you guys. Okay. So here's what the bottle looks like. Very cute. But you don't twist this, by the way. That is a facade. That is what you actually twist to get your brush out. Don't drip. Okay. I'm like, after that last thing, let's not ruin anything else here. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that, because it does say it on the box, actually. Before you use lift outer cap, do not twist. Good thing I noticed that, because my nature would have wanted to twist this. It would have probably busted something. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Let me read the little thingy. Made by a businesswoman turned beauty entrepreneur, this line of cruelty-free and five-free nail products is known for luxe, innovative, and eco-friendly products. Purplicious is an opaque orchid pink shade that's fast-drying, long-lasting, and gives us instant springtime feels. That is true. This dried really, really fast, and again, only took 2 coats. You probably could have even gotten by with 1, but I was noticing a little bit of streakiness with just 1, and I wanted full coverage, so I would recommend 2, but I mean, if you're like really, really on the go, you could get by with 1, and it'd be okay. Tip: wear 2 solid Wear 2 solid coats all over your nails and finish with a clear top coat, which is what I did. For a fun polka dotted look, no thank you, use a thin paintbrush and top it off with tiny dots of white polish. No, I'm not gonna bother with that, but you guys can do that if you want to, but I'm not gonna bother putting in that much time and effort for something that's just gonna chip off anyway. So anyways, that is what I got in my Ipsy Glam bag for April 2019. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give this video a like. If you're not already and you like me, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. What was your favorite thing that I got in this Ipsy Glam bag? If you remember, what was your favorite thing that you got? Did you do a video on your unboxing? If so, let me know. I will go check out your video too. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Instagram, my Twitter, Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. So anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.